Hey, what's up, Lewis? What's up, guys? What's up? What's up? What's up, bro? Alright, so let's dive into the charts. We're on screen. Let's go. Alright, guys, so here we have gold. You can see that price drastically went up for PPI. The consensus was a little bit higher than expected. Essentially, I'm bullish on gold, right? Extremely bullish on gold, but also the thing is, buying over here, not necessarily happy with that. So essentially, I would like to see a little bit of a pullback, and that's kind of what we're getting now with gold. So essentially, option one, let's mark out our daily time frame so far. All right. So today being Tuesday, we have Tuesday's high, as well as Tuesday's low. All right, so essentially we're working with this, right? We could potentially look at taking shorts around this area, which is today's golden zone, and thereafterwards take longs at 244.6. But what's up, Stembiso? Hope you're doing well, bro. So essentially, we could look at taking shorts here and then taking longs over here at 2446. But again, with these kind of setups, it's very, very, very choppy, right? Here, I don't necessarily have a lot of validation. And yeah, I'm essentially just entering off Monday's golden zone, today's 1.618 fib zone. That's essentially it, to be honest. Two reasons, not great, but still a reason to enter the market. And most likely I will enter something similar to this. So let's take our arrows. So I'll essentially look for the market to do something like this. Potentially. And then if we break this, looking at something like this for gold today. But again, like, to be very, very honest with you, how price is moving, I'm not necessarily happy with what we have. Did any of you guys trade PPI or are you guys looking at something else? So New York sessions in 6 minutes. If we could ultimately get a break and retest here, I might enter, or possibly enter a small position over here, risking 0.5. Yesterday we took a trade. It came back to BE. Yeah, Richard, bro, it's been super choppy. But also the thing is, this week is heavy fundamentals, right? Heavy fundamentals. Like, look, we have on. Look at this, just on the 14th. Oh, sorry, let me move my chart a little bit so that you guys can see. Just on the 14th, we have inflation, core inflation, inflation rate, core inflation rate, and then on Thursday we have retail sales. Friday we have building permits as well as Michigan consumer sentiment. Last time I looked at the charts was yesterday trade that stopped us out at BE. Yeah, so I'm really happy. Like, I'll be very honest with you, Stembisol. The fact that we got out at BE, we're very lucky. Like, I'm not even gonna cap and say, you know, oh, it was like, yes, we managed to manage our risk management, you know, hence why we moved SL to BE, so we didn't take a loss. Otherwise, look at this, like, you know, we essentially took a sell here yesterday. That's all we got, and then look how it came out. My SL was at 2461, so we're extremely lucky that we got out at BE. Alright guys, I'm going to tune into the Discord now as well. And my only thing, I struggle to look at the chats here on the YouTube as well as the Discord because obviously a lot's going on. But I'm going to try my best to focus on the YouTube chat as well. So you can see that right now where my webcam is, just above here. Okay, wait, let me actually change that because you've seen double. There we go. Just above here, that's the Discord, right? And you'll be able to hear the traders in the Discord speak as well as see the chart. Damn, nice to be so. That's really good, bro. All right, so let's see what New York session does for us in 4 minutes. Essentially, this is what I'm looking at: a drop and essentially price coming back up. But let's play by sight.
So those two are lining up, but now we just need some support and resistance to form. So checking. Okay, Dow is also currently just sitting here. We're sitting underneath a 1 hour resistance. So if there were any longs to be taken, you're going to be taking longs directly into a 1 hour. So luckily 20 pip will give us a TP before we actually enter, so that's fine.
Hey, what's up, boys?
Now I just gotta wait. Hey!
We're waiting for a pullback, yeah?
We are. It's just it's gonna be a little bit sketchy trading that pullback on CME Open. So if you want, you can still enter on it, but just go low risk.
What's up, JMO? What's up, Ethan?
Not
What's
half
up,
past
bro?
yet. Jamie!
How you, big dog?
The real Jamie.
Oh, bro.
Okay, so right now we are retracing back into that zone. Like I said, you can enter it. My rules, I won't enter. It's still valid, but I only trade after half past. But it's still valid. Okay, what payment options do you use for payouts? Crypto.
All right, guys. So also, with gold, right? Let me just switch it. Well, I'm gonna share the
Are you
Discord
currently
chart.
live on YouTube, Jamie?
Yeah, I am. So everything's recorded, bro. So like, I think since last week Friday, all of our live streams are recorded.
That's sick.
Oh, that's epic.
Yeah. So now, like, what I'm actually doing, I have like essentially three screens. I have like my webcam. Then on the top of my webcam is usually the Discord, and then the main screen is like my chart. But now, obviously, because like you have setups and stuff, yours is the main thing, and then my chart's like the mini
Okay.
one. And then, when we switch, I just keep on switching like that. Yeah, guys. So to all the YouTube peeps, like I explained, when JMO is going to take a trade, he's busy looking at Nasdaq right now. You'll see it on the main window.
Okay, well, if anyone hopped in this trade, you would almost be at break even.
So he's on the main window right now, and
I'll still wait.
so he's on the main window, and when I start trading gold, I'll switch the two screens. All right. So right now, that's essentially what JMO is looking at, and you'll be able to hear him as well.
BMAC, no, I am not in. But I did say it's valid, so if you took it, you would be at BE right now. Jesus running. Being eyeing this one since this morning. Being eyeing what? The zone.
And guys, also with gold,
Yeah, I also had it marked out quite earlier.
if we don't get shorts,
But I originally had it over here from this week. But once these weeks started forming, I covered these weeks as well.
if we don't get shorts on gold now,
Okay, so if you
we'll
guys
higher
took
up.
this, you would hit TP. Okay, so
Okay. I need to figure out how
Mot
to connect the
koning.
Discord.
Mot koning.
There you go.
He TP, nice. Well done, bro. One candle.
All right. So yeah, essentially, if price doesn't reject,
Yes,
any
Ron.
here,
Through Rise. Wise.
we're gonna
Rise.
take a short higher up.
The fuck.
So by the way, guys, we are as you guys know, we have like pretty much everything on here that you guys need. In terms of like literally we put the strategy on here, we live trade for you every day on here. But there's been a lot of people asking us about like one-on-one mentorships and stuff like that. So what we've done is we've opened up a couple of slots. So those of you who want to potentially be mentored by us personally and taken by the hand to basically get profitable, like by the hand, we will be like spoon feeding you until you become profitable. We've decided to open up a couple of slots for that. You will have to apply. Not everybody will be able to get in, unfortunately. So you can apply and go from there. The people that have been on so far, I mean, like, there's people getting funded within the first 2 weeks. Not even like you can see Mike got funded within the first 2 weeks. Darren got funded within the first 3 weeks. It's yeah, and those guys will be on here right now, and they'll be able to tell you. And yes, Big Spoon. Liam's one of the guys as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drop the application. Those of you who are serious about becoming profitable, then apply and see if you get accepted. If you get accepted, we will contact you and then we can go from there. We're only accepting 10 people right now. So only 10 out of the 100 of you will get in. We're also going to be launching it everywhere else. So there's about 3,700 of you. Only 10 people will get it. And those 10 people are going to get one-on-one attention from us. And we're going to spoon feed you guys till profitable. Like as if we were showing a friend how to trade, as if we were literally taking you by the hand to profitability. And it's a 2 month program. And we check in on you every single week, make sure you're doing the stuff right. What I'm going to do is I'm going to drop the application form. You guys can apply. If you're accepted, you'll get contacted by me personally, and then we can work together. Again, it's not for everyone. You don't need to do this to be successful, but for those of you who want to really accelerate quickly and get there quickly, this is going to be the fastest way to get profitable. But those of you who don't get on, you still get everything within this group for free that you need. So I'm going to put the link in the chat, and good luck to everybody applying. 10 people will get chosen on that list. If you qualify, you'll get contacted with costing and all of that kind of stuff.
Even though it's a 2-month course, by the way, you still get lifetime access to the university group.
So yeah, apply on the type form there that I just posted. I'm also just going to announce it to everyone. And then take it from there. But yeah, we're busy looking at the setup. But do you think there's going to be another setup? Maybe?
So Nasdaq already played out. There's nothing really further on Nasdaq. This is the highest point now. So US 30 would be the next choice. If the S&P keeps pushing, US 30 will give us that breakout.
Let me just check. I need to make sure I don't freaking trade bloody minis. No. Oh wait, I think I already fixed it. I was trading micros, not min. Yeah.
Do we get this?
I was
offer
trading
every
micros.
6 weeks? MFS, we open it randomly when there's spots available, but we're not sure when the next one would actually open. Stop loss on US 30. I would go with a 25 pip. Wow. Oh, Mike, you're on phase 2 on another 100k. Damn, dude. Holy shit. JMO will reject me on that mentorship, I know it. Oh, shit. How big is the stop loss? It's 25 pips, guys. You'll see Matt and press delete. Yeah, dude, I'll put it in a spam folder. You have a 200k, wasn't 5% drawdown a few weeks ago. Now you're in 4.5% profit. Bro! That's insane, Mike. And you got the 100K that you passed and another one on phase 2, right? Oh, that's insane. Fuck, bro. So you're almost 400K in funding. Okay, so that's our new candle. Let's see if we keep pushing. Okay, so if price does come back, you guys can do a market execution or you can wait for a rejection candle on the 1 minute. I usually just wait for price to show me that there's some buying pressure on the 1 minute and then I would hop in. But I'll let you guys know if I'm in. No, I'm not in fully. Was there only two of you guys that took the Nas trade? Can you show the Nas trade? Okay, yeah, might as well. So that's basically what happened. It exited a 4 hour, gave a breakout, and now it's coming back. US 30 is leaving us behind. Half risk on Nas for you. Nice, bro. What's up, Charles? You got any setups on gold, Jamie?
Yeah, I'm monitoring potential short pretty soon, if not short high up. Yeah, either looking at shorting at 2503, but I wouldn't say it's like an A plus trade by any means.
Okay, so US 30 might come back, but guys, just keep in mind that we already reacted to a 1 hour zone. So no full port. No, never. Liam. Oh shit. Itching for NFP. It's still long, bro. 25 per prawn. Jamie Matt asked, do you think gold will come for the highs?
At this rate, bro, it looks like it might. It's respecting last week's high in today's range so far, so yeah, it looks like it might. But until it breaks 2476, I'd say like we still have an opportunity to potentially catch a small short. But yeah, I was telling people yesterday, bro, like we hit BE on gold yesterday. Like we're so lucky that we actually hit BE, bro. Like that just shows like the risk management side to always adjust your SL to BE at a certain point. Because if you see where gold's at now, it was way past my SL. So yeah, we got pretty lucky with that gold trade.
USD is leaving me behind a bit. So do you want to take over with gold?
I can share my screen. I'll do that now. It's just at this current moment, it's not looking amazing.
Damn, it's unfortunate that US 30 just.
It was so close to tapping us.
So yeah, essentially, I was looking at potentially taking shorts if price closed below 2465. At least till last week's high, today's low so far. But I would have only looked at taking longs at this golden zone over here. So it's around 2442.8 till about 2448. But worst case scenario right now with gold, if it breaks this, we potentially looking at here and then here. But this is obviously like territory that we haven't necessarily been in. So, you know, calling trades over here, we have little to none validation. But let's see, I'm looking at the 15-minute right now. So yeah, essentially if my bias was long, could have potentially taken an entry over here. Then SR would have been around here and we would have looked at something like this. But I'm not comfortable taking this trade, this long trade right now.
US 30 might be coming back, Jamo.
Do you want to share, Jamo? I still have some time.
I'll screen share when it's getting closer.
You let me know,
It's just a
bro.
little bit of a rejection.
Use your safety word.
Peaches.
Peaches. So essentially with gold, gold is shitty at the moment because we are either taking the high or we're going to do a bit of a pull. Yeah, I agree with you, Matt. It's so choppy, like so choppy. My outlook, how I would see gold right now, obviously, like we're kind of hunting for a trade, which I'm not a big fan of. But if we get on this 5 minute, a closure, a bear candle, at least below 2470, then I might look to go short with a relatively tight stop loss. So I'm going to show you an example of the trade. So this obviously isn't like me entering. So for example here, and then SR would be just slightly here. And it would be something like a little bit lower TP, but we would essentially move our trade to BE at about 2466.5. But that's only if we get this 5 minute candle to close bearish and also below 2470. And if we surpass this previous 5 minute candle being 2474.74, then yeah, that essentially cancels out that short that I just explained. Two more minutes until this 5 minute candle closes. So far it doesn't look like we're going to go short at all. This buy would have been alright, but also like my logic is, you know, I don't necessarily want to buy close to like all-time highs, right? Like, yeah, I'd rather look for like short opportunities. Obviously it depends what's happening in the environment of the market and stuff, but for this right now, yeah, it would have been a cool buy, but I would have had little to none validation for that. Were you guys looking at the markets for PPI? JMO and Ethan?
No.
No. Bro, I was
Fuck,
like,
I didn't even look at my
I didn't
the news.
yeah, for PPI, I wasn't expecting the results to be like what they were. I was expecting it to be like, as predicted, like 0.2. I think it was 2.6. Yeah, I would have taken a loss for PPI for sure, but thank God I didn't.
Oh shit, it came in 0.1.
It's everyday struggle for dollar, yeah. Alright, so sales at the
Yes.
moment invalid.
US 30 is pulling back a little bit. But we inside that 1 hour resistance, so it could go straight through our 5-minute zone. Okay, Jamie, I'm going to take over with the screen share quick. Okay, so we reacted to a 1-hour zone. We still got this 5-minute. If it shows a bit of a rejection now, then I'll jump in. But I think it might just go straight through. So very low risk trade. Putting a little on the table. I'll wait. Let's see.
Yes, it's hey, markets are
It's already going through. This candle is just falling on the 1 minute. I'm not trusting the setup. Okay, it's giving a bit of a rejection, so I'm gonna hop in here. Okay, so you should almost be at B now. Okay, I'm moving to B. It might just take my break even. Okay, I'm out. Out at B. Okay. At least it's not a loss. Like I said, it's a risky setup. We basically reacted to a 1-hour resistance, so all that selling volume probably just came in now. That's what's just pushing through a 5-minute. But it's okay, it's no loss. We took a BE. Yeah, that should be my 2 trades. So Jamie, you can take over again.
Let's see. Bro, streaming on YouTube is fucking admin. Every time that we switch between the screens, I have to like adjust.
Oh shit.
There you go. It's quick though, but it's just like fuck. It's like an extra 4 clicks, bro.
Oh my goodness. Now US 30 decides to run. You're still in rain. Damn, bro. Well, you should be close to TP. And your pixel. Protect it. Just protect your position because we did come off a 1-hour resistance.
I might potentially grab a quick gold short. I'll let you guys know. It will be a really tight setup though. Like, essentially SR will be close to like 2477. Nathan, are you short in gold, or what? What are you doing? Okay, nice. Yeah, I also saw that on 5. It looks really good. Also 15 looks pretty good for a short. See on the 1. All right, guys. With the gold setup, if I do go short, I would highly recommend risking possibly 50%. Personally, I'm gonna risk like my standard amount, but obviously, you know, in terms of amount of validation, you know me with my trades, I'll try to get as many validation points as possible. There's not a lot, so if I do go short, it's honestly your choice, but I would recommend possibly looking at doing 50% of what you usually do. I think gold attempt to break 3 times at 2458. Yeah, it's been a strong resistance MFS. Super strong. I mean, stronger as support. Elephant, I'm not in yet. I'll let you know the SL. It most likely would be like 2477.5 around there. But I'm just trying to get a little bit more confirmation on smaller time frames. I said at 2478 may be different from other people's. Are you in at 2478? Oh, is that your SL? Yeah, because price hasn't touched 2478 yet. Nice. Yeah, pretty similar. It's just slightly above the high for today. But let's see, we have essentially 1 minute 30 seconds until the next 5 minute. $15 looks really good. Yeah, I agree with you, Nathan. I still see price could come slightly higher, hopefully, but I think if you do break 2470, obviously with the cheeky retest, then we could see price going down. How down, I don't know. But I do have areas lower down where I would look to go long, so I'll try aim for those. But a safe TP1, I would probably do something like 2460. Let's see how this 5 minute operates. Could potentially close in a hammer. We have 15 seconds. shisha pipe has to go away. All right, so we did close bearish. Let's just have a look on the 15. I'm probably going to look to enter in the next 1 minute. Let's just see. Okay. So let's go back to 5. I'm going potentially short. Right now here. SL short on gold. SL 2478.32. Alright. So yes guys, we're short on gold at the moment. I'll let you guys know which areas I'm looking for. TP1 and BE. So SL 2478.32. To be honest, let's try aim for this area over here. Right. Six, 8. Pink. And then final TP, we'll look at 2-4 around here. TP3. Alright guys, so entry, I got it in at 2472 on the dot. Amazing. Amazing, amazing. Okay, shisha pipe's coming back. Like, honest guys, it's such a sticky trade because like I said, I would much prefer if you guys risk 50% on this trade. I risk my standard amount, just because I took BE yesterday, so I still have a whole week to go. But very, very transparently, there's not a lot of validation for me to take this short. I normally look for a lot of key areas and stuff. So far we're okay, we're doing good. We have 5 more minutes until the next candle closure on gold. Let's take a little look on 5. Beautiful. Beautiful. Alright, I'm going to stick with the 50-minute time frame just for a little bit. Hope everyone can see. So yeah, everyone, we entered at 2472. We'll move SL to BE once price taps 2468. TP1 2461. TP2 2455. TP3 2445. But if you guys are obviously happy with your profits at whatever point it is, close. Especially if you guys are doing funded accounts. If you need X amount to pass or whatever, then you're more than welcome to close earlier. Okay, we're back on the 5. Nice, Nathan. Yeah, I'd rather be safe than sorry, bro. Nice, Angie. Congrats, bro. Done. This guy. BE isn't necessarily at 1-to-1. It's just a like essentially a significant zone for me. Yeah, 1-to-1 would probably be 2466. We have 3 more minutes on the 15. Price is at entry at the moment. Yeah, it very well could be Mac. Definitely could go either way, to be very honest with you. As long as we can get SL to BE, I'll be very happy. TP1, thank the Lord, bro. TP1 2461.74. You can see it labeled here on the. Yeah, you should be able to see it. Alright, 30 seconds on this 15. New 15-minute candle. Your gold is stubborn. It is so stubborn. I've been up all night, no sleep, 'cause I feel something breathing. 5 minute. Ten more minutes until the next 15. How many of you guys are taking this gold trade with me? Just out of interest. Pixel RM. Okay. No pressure, Jamie. No pressure. Sweet.
Bro, a lot of these guys in chat don't know how it feels to like give a call, you know?
Bro, it's tough.
Such a weird feeling.
Liam. Aiming about 2465. Okay, nice. Is Ruan in the chat? Ruan, did you pass your funded account? I know yesterday you said you needed $100. Don't know if he's here.
The nudes.
Damn, nice, bro. Some good stats. Asian dads only accept 90 plus, bro. Alright guys, I marked out 2465. I'm most likely 2465.1. I'm probably gonna close a few partials. I'm only gonna hit my daily goal essentially at TP1, but I will close some partials here just to secure some stuff. And SL to BE, guys. SL to BE, risk-free trade.
Nice, bro.
Thank shit, bro. Alright guys, just please make sure that your SL is at BE. So for example, if you enter at 2472.26, make your SL like 2472. don't place it exactly on your trade, because then you'll lose a couple cents or whatever. But yeah. Asia lows. Yeah, I would say so. For me, it's essentially like we could get another bounce at 2458, like how price has been expecting. But if we do break through, I'd rather secure TP2 in the middle of my support and resistance block rather at the bottom, and then there afterwards 2445 if we do break this purple block. And just a reminder, if you guys, obviously, like, you don't have to always aim for my TPs. If you up with your funded account, for example, if you're passing, or like if you're already passing now, your phase one, bro, just close. Honestly, just close. Alright, 3 more minutes until the next 15. I'm gonna be cruising on the 5. One minute 30 seconds until the next 15. New 15-minute candle now. Very, very nice. I got out at 2466. Nice, bro. As long as you grab profits, that's good. Nice. What was that? Was that... That spikes from PPI, right? MFS. Don't worry, bro. I'm greedy as well. But like I said, 2465.12 around there. I'm gonna close a portion of my trade just to bag some decent profit. And I'll just surpass slightly my daily goal when I hit TP1. Alright guys, I'm closing a portion of my lot size now. You guys can do so as well if you want. You are the beast, just where I am. Thanks, Helen. Appreciate that. W's in the chat. But let's put W's in TP1, bro. I mean, I took like a small W now, but W is at TP1 for sure. So Liam, on MT5, you go to close position, right? And then you'll see just under market execution, your lot size is there, right? So then you change your lot size. So let's just say, for example, if you enter 5 lots, you change it to like 1, and then you press close, and then that closes only 1 lot of that position. So that's how you take essentially partial from 1 position on MetaTrader 5. Damn, nice, Helen. That's amazing. Congrats. $1,250. So if I tap that, it won't close my whole. Ah, fuck, you're on PC. I'm not exactly too sure on PC. Go to modify position maybe. I'm not too sure on PC, bro. Fuck it. Liam, bro. This guy. Oh yeah, so modify position, like what Mo said. Or what K Special said. I'm not too sure, bro. I can't tell you. $15 candles a little bit sus. But let's let it close first. Anytime, K. Thanks for the support. We still have 6 more minutes. Ideally, don't want this 15-minute candle to close bullish. Let's see. 5-minute time frame. 15-minute time frame. No, definitely not safe to re-enter, bro. Definitely not safe. Because the thing is, like, our positions, it's essentially already risk-free, right? So if I tell you to enter, um, you know, if your SL hits, mine won't. So it wouldn't really be like, it wouldn't sit well. So yeah, either like you get in the same time that we get in, and if it's like floating around position after like an hour later, then sure. But well, hopefully it doesn't get to those points. But otherwise, no. All right, we have 2 minutes and 30 seconds until this 15-minute closes. Again, ideally, we want it to close bearish, but we still fine. Nice job, MFS. Good job, bro. You can't hear me, BMAC? Can everyone else hear me? Oh. I'm not too sure why, bro. Maybe leave and come back? Oh, yeah, he can't. Fuck, never mind. Can't hear me. Yeah, shot Liam. All right, we have 1 more minute. If this 15-minute candle closes bullish, there is a chance that we'll get out of BE. But let's see how it plays out. We normally we live stream during New York session open. If there is potential trades late in the afternoon, then we will take it. We'll come live again. We'll update you on the main trading floor, but yeah, majority of the time it's just New York session. All right, so this candle is going to close bullish. Which wick? This one over here, the previous bullish one, Liam. No, personally I wouldn't, to be honest. I wouldn't count that as breakout structure. Correct. Plaisir. 7:15. We still have 10 more minutes on this candle. Still holding positions. Hey JMO, I wish my trades went as quickly as yours, bro. Jeez, like.
Sorry, bro, say again?
I wish my trades went as quickly as yours.
Bro, I'll literally scalp it.
Congrats, C. That's amazing, bro. 0.5%. What's your what's the funded challenges goal? Like until you pass your phase 1.
Murky also passed his face. I think it was just your gold trade.
Jeez, bro. That's amazing.
He posted it in chat.
Oh, I didn't even see. What, Murky?
Yeah.
Let me go look quick. Damn. That's crazy. Jeez, bro. The zone rejections aren't saying anyone here trade that way on gold. I kind of implement that within I kind of implement that with my positions and stuff, or when I look for entries, but I also implement like a bunch of other stuff. Should we aim for buy gold? Got news about Russia with Iran. If it comes to a key zone, potentially like 2458, you could look to maybe buy, but I wouldn't just buy based off like purely fundamentals, Jedi. I think try align fundamentals and your technical analysis. Unless you essentially like gambling, right? Like PPI, CPI, NFP, and all that stuff. Then maybe like, put it in a certain amount and trade it. But yeah, just trading based off a news event or something, it could go either way. Alright, 7 more minutes until this 15-minute candle. Only a pleasure, bro. Only a pleasure.
Okay, bro. Well, I'm gonna leave you. I'm gonna go buy me some food.
Alright, sweet, bro. Have a good one.
Sweet, man. Good luck with the gold trade.
Shot, appreciate.
Cheers, chat.
Alright, 5 more minutes. Yeah, it does look like a good buy. It really does. So yeah, this was essentially today's golden zone. And if you see on the what did I do? On the gram box,
if you take this huge wick candle over here, it essentially came to the 50% mark. So essentially filled that fair value gap. But yeah, to be honest, I didn't really see this. I didn't really mark this. I would have, if I did see this, I essentially would have moved my TP1 to here. But I took some partials at 2465. Gem. Congrats on passing, Murky. That's amazing, bro. The gold box, golden zone, is essentially a Fibonacci level of 0.5 and 0.618 of the daily time frame so far. So if you see here, it would have been like this. So yeah, actually like that. So that's essentially my golden zone. No stress. But let's see. It's very, very, very close to my entry. You don't go to 0.7? No, I don't. I've actually seen a couple traders go to 0.7. But yeah, just based off how I know Fib, I mainly just use the 0.5, 0.618. Just touch weekly R1, so it could go bearish now or break through. Yeah, you get a lot of, like, people use a lot of different things. You know, if 0.7 is what you know and you see like statistically it works out, then continue using 0.7. Alright, 30 seconds until the next 15-minute candle. It's very, very close to my SR. If we go slightly higher, it's probably going to hit BE for me. But let's see how the next 15-minute candle plays out. And I'm still in. I'm hanging on by a thread out at BE. Yeah, guys, if you guys are out at BE, honestly, just stay out. If I get tapped, I won't look to re-enter. My SL should have actually gotten tapped here, but it didn't. Took some partial, but having a cut trading week so far. Bro, it's only Tuesday. You know, like, just be, if you are in like quite a few losses for the week, just be cautious with your risk and stuff. But it's only Tuesday. You still have a lot of opportunity, right? Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So yeah, just whatever you do, obviously don't revenge trade and stuff. Yeah, Liam, me as well, bro. I'm literally like just in. By a thread. 1 minute time frame. Right. Gold has just been bullish. Extremely bullish. Like I said yesterday, guys, if you know, like, because we passed last week's high, the safer trades are obviously buys, right? But you don't really want to buy at the top. Do you know what I'm saying? So hence why we look for pullbacks and stuff. The pullbacks, you know, especially because where we are now, you'll get a lot of movement. But safer trades are buys. But where price was at, especially where we grabbed the entry, I can't imagine buying over there. Cheers, bro. Have a good one. Thanks for joining the stream. So yeah, guys, also, this video is recorded on my YouTube channel. So you guys can like rewatch, see exactly how we took the trade, how we managed the trade and all that. Every single trade that we take, I'm going to try to record it just so that, you know, you guys can watch back. And it also helps out my YouTube, obviously, because I'm putting like videos every single day. I think we hit 710 subscribers. So we're growing slowly. I ideally want to hit 1K soon. But some growth is better than no growth, right? Cheers, man. Have a good one. Cheers, Matt. Yeah, I'll check it after trades, which will probably be soon. And I'm out at BE. Alright, guys, that's me done for the day. We caught a relatively good move with gold, but I think my targets were a little bit too optimistic. I was looking for a complete shift in market structure. So yeah, I took some partials here, not necessarily near my daily goal. But we come back. At least we didn't lose. Took a small, I think I maybe made like 0.25% of my, no, I lied, 25% of my daily goal. So yeah, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. The video will be on YouTube if you guys want to rewatch, and if we do live stream again, check on the main trading floor. Jedi 2480. Yeah, so I'd say 100% if we break Tuesday's high being today, we could see 2480. I would probably even see a little bit higher. Like, let's just say if we use the Fibonacci just for reference, right? And again, that's why I don't really like this, because it's just you know, we essentially just have fib zones for reference. So the next reversal point would be 2488. But you know, another thing is also taking significant numbers. So like 2500, 2490, even numbers 2495, 2485. Possible good areas to short as well, but again, like, how many reasons do you have to enter, right? So yeah, if we do break Tuesday's high, we could possibly see 2480. Is there any way to fix a black screen stream in Discord. What do you mean, Marty? I don't really understand. Oh, is it just black? Like you can't see anything? Oh, lagging. Probably your internet connection, bro. Probably your internet connection. No idea, bro. Yeah, Google. Alright, guys, I'm off. Thanks again for watching the stream. I'll see you guys either later or tomorrow. If there's a setup later, I'll come on again.